Sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Chevrolet Trailblazer EXT. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, rear wipers, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.